Okay, hello, what's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Like I saw in the title of this video, I'm going to be showing you an arbitrage website to actually give you profit on a daily basis. So, if this is your first time on this channel, welcome to the Winners World channel. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you this particular website that actually give you profit on a daily basis on arbitrage. So, the first thing you need to do is actually click the first link in the description of this video to actually get to this website. Once you're over here on this website, all you need to do is actually put in your email, put in your password and payment password. Once I've actually done that, you click on this place that says register, and I'll tell you register on these platforms. I'm going to be logging in into my account to actually show you guys the interface that you will be getting if you have actually signed up on this particular platform. So this interface you are going to be getting on this particular platform. You actually see this place says top up, withdraw, platform introduction, share to friends, team, and quantification. So I'm going to be explaining each of these to you guys over here now. So this top up over here now is where you actually send money to this platform to actually get your investment started. So actually see over here now, the minimum you are going to be depositing on this particular platform is 10 USDT, which is their VIP1 package, which is the minimum over here. You can actually use TRC20 over here now, which is on green section, or you can actually use BIP20, which is on the other hand over here. So once I've actually done that over here now, if I actually want to deposit on this particular platform, just click on this wallet address, copy it over here, and then go over to any exchange that you are using, either BitGet, Binance, or any of these exchange that you are using. Just click on this place that says withdraw over here now, put in USDT. So you just put in USDT over here, click on one withdrawal over here now, then go over to this place and paste in the wallet address we have actually copied on this particular platform, then select the network over here now. So we have TRC20 over here, and then we also have BIP20. So anyone that you actually want to use can actually decide to use BIP20, or you can actually decide to actually use TRC20. So over here, the wallet address I pasted is for TRC20. Okay, the wallet address I put over here is TRC20. If I actually want to go for BIP20, I just click on BIP20, copy the wallet address over here now, then cancel this one over here, then paste BIP20 wallet address over here, then select BIP20 over here. I already see it over here. I've actually changed to BIP20 over here. Then actually put in any amount you actually want to recharge on this, either 100 USDT, 200 USDT, but the minimum is 10 USDT. Once I've actually done that over here now, this is where I actually get the thing started over here. So actually see this place that says share to friends and teams. If I click on team over here now, so you actually copy your invitation link over here. Any person you actually invite on this particular platform, the team A, you actually be getting 8%, team B, you actually be getting 2%, and team C, you actually be getting 1%. So imagine if someone actually invite on this platform recharges 100 USDT, you actually be automatically be getting 8 USDT directly to your account. So this is for the team over here now, and for the share friends, you can actually see over here, you share to friends, invite your friends, any of these, share to friends over there. So actually see this one over here that says platform introduction. They actually introduce you how the platform runs and the rest. So actually see it over here, how the platform runs over here now. And this quantification over here now will actually show you the profit that you are going to be making on a daily when you actually invest on this particular platform. So let me show you guys something over here. If I click on mine over here now, then I click on this place that says withdraw. I want to actually withdraw on this particular platform to actually show you the withdrawal is working. So I click on this over here now, and click on submit payment password over here now. Then I'm going to be withdrawing the minimum of 2 USDT. Arrival is 1 to 3 minutes over here. So I click on this that says add withdrawal method over here. They are asking us to actually choose BIP20 over here. So all I'm going to be doing now is actually go over to any exchange that I'm using to actually put in my wallet address over here. So I'm going to click on this place that says add funds over here now. So I have a crypto, then actually select USDT because that's what we are using on the platform, USDT. So this USDT over here now. Then I choose network. I'm going to be choosing BIP20 over here now. So click on copy over here, then go over to the platform over here now and paste in my wallet address. Once I've done pasting my wallet address, I actually put in my password, transaction password over here now. So I'm going to put in my transaction password over here now to actually show you guys something. So click on submit over here. I've already submitted it over here now. So I've already go over to this place now. Actually put in the amount I actually want to withdraw, put in the password, payment password over here, and click on this place that says choose payment method, which is the one we actually added over here. So I click on choose this over here now, then click on the amount over here. Let's 2 USDT as the minimum over here. put in the password over here now, then click on this place that says submit. So let me just show you. You can click on this place that says submit. This will actually send this to our wallet address. So let me just show you guys something over here. So if you actually gotten over to this platform over, you actually see this place that says quantity over here now. And this place that says investment. You actually see this place that says investment over here. So you actually recharge 10 USDT, you actually be getting 20 USD, 20% of your capital on a daily basis. If you actually recharge 100 to 200 USD, you usually be getting 22% of a return of investment on a daily basis. Subscribe to the channel if you are new to the channel. Leave a like on this video and also drop a comment if you have any question. I will see you guys in my next video.